Hey guys, I know that it's been forever that I've recorded a video and posted a video, but I'm back. I recently just went back to work, so I'm trying to get in the swing of recording and working.
I got melanin. Oh yeah. I got melanin. We got melanin.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a soft glam makeup look. The palette we're going to be using today is called Feels. It's by a brand called Makeup Obsession that's sold at Target. This palette retails for $14.99. I purchased this palette online, so I don't know if you can purchase it in the store because in my Target I haven't seen it in the store. I've seen all the other palettes but just not this one. This palette is a neutral palette. There are mostly neutral colors and very, very shimmery colors. That's why I chose this palette to use to do this soft glam look. This palette does come with 16 shades, which is amazing for the price. It's only $14.99, which is super great. All of the products will be listed down in the description box because they won't be listed in the video. But I'll make sure that I list them down in the description box so you know where I got everything and what I used. So I'm back with lashes. So today's lashes are going to be from Juvias Place. I talked about them in another video. I love them. They're so cute. Here's a little pink thing, has a little logo in there. And the name is on the side. And this is what they look like. Very dramatic and full and fluffy. I'm gonna get in closer. These lashes are in this style volatile. It's upside down. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this soft glam look. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
I like cash in my hair to my ass. Do the dash, can you make it go fast? Fuck the fame, all I want is them bands. If